Last two
Are you still
questions.
confident, Sen, sa grupo nyo na wala nang kakalas, knowing na lumipat na si Senator Cheese?
Confident ako na pare-pareho prinsipyo namin and that we'll make the right decisions together. Kasi kung ako lang ha, parang gusto ko nang sabihin dalawa sa kanila na pahiram nyo na yung boto kasi ang hirap ng pinagdadaanan nila. Tapos para bang ako lang nakikinabang dahil akong SP. So although alam na nila na ilan kaso na, ilan na ang hinalungkat sa akin, so nandun yung support. So I'm confident in our democracy. I'm confident that the Philippines is a country of the Lord. So, I face this, I'll just quote someone, no, nakasama ko, sabi niya sa akin, Brad, alam mo naman ako, kasi magkasama kami noon. Hindi ko nakasama kay Erap, nakasama ko kay GMA na. Sabi niya sa akin, Brad, alam mo naman, kahit barilin ako sa Luneta, single ako noon, wala akong pamilya, wala akong asawa, bata pa tatay ko. Pero ngayon, baka takayin sa puso tatay ko, bakit pero hindi ako kakalas. So, ganun na yung salitaan namin eh. So, although may asawa ko, I haven't been blessed to have children. I have a lot of pamangkins I treat as my children. I have my ate na I didn't want to pull in. But she's a senator as much as me and she's happy to do this. She didn't want the blue ribbon. But kanina siya nagsabing, Al, kung magkakagulo dun sa baba, baka respeto nila kung babae. So siya bumaba. Buti lang sumama si Robin kasi kahit pala babae, haharangin pa rin sa baba. So, I'm confident God is in control, but I cannot tell you more than now. And I don't know what will happen later. I don't know what will happen tomorrow. I don't know what will happen Monday.
Thank you, Sen.
Thank you.